Episode with Hill on Two Wheels. Today we are back at Iron Street Harley-Davidson in Vacaville, California. This time we're checking out the 2018 Low Rider. I'm kind of digging the glossy paint job and all the chrome on this bike. It has a little bit of a retro style to it. I'm digging the retro paint job and the round air cleaner sitting beside that new Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch motor with the true dual pipes. The tank's been totally resculpted this year. I think it really accents that motor well. It looks good up there. And the front end here, they've redone the forks. It's got the new cartridge style forks with 130 millimeters of travel with an LED headlight up front to brighten up the night. So outside of that, this bike is 35 pounds lighter than last year's model, and the frame is reported to be 34% stiffer than the previous model. That should translate the power back to the rider in a big way. You should really feel that. So I'm excited to see how this thing feels. They've slapped a 180 millimeter rear tire on this thing, which should help with the cornering. It should feel really nice in the cornering to accent that. They've also increased the lean angle substantially. I think this bike looks really good. Out of all the soft tails that Harley-Davidson put out in 2018, this one just has that look to me that I like. So I'm excited about getting on this thing, taking it for a spin, and seeing how it rides. All right, getting ready to jump on the 2018 Low Rider. Let's see how this bad boy rides. The bars feel a little odd. Get used to them here though. Overall, the riding position's comfortable. I like the seat, the way that it gives you that support in the back. That feels pretty good. Feels really stable. More so than the Street Bob. Street Bob might have had a little sportier feel to it, but that's to be expected. Well, just like the Street Bob, I would say if you're a big fan of this bike, I would highly suggest you get on down and test ride it before you make any final decisions on whether you like it or not. I've seen a lot of people kind of bagging on these bikes on social media, so I would just say, hey, you probably ought to give it a ride, and then you might change your mind. Because I gotta say, these bikes feel pretty darn good. Ooh, there's been some stunting going on around here. Definitely got some get up and go. Daggum, so's that wind. A little bit of a windy day here, but this is another fun bike to ride for sure. Once again, if you're accustomed to the whole soft tail lineup, and you got some preconceived notions about it, there again, you need to jump on one of these and give it a run, because this new frame has changed the game a bit. Lots of nice power coming out of that Milwaukee 8 107.
So this bike's definitely has a lot more of a traditional look to it than the other soft tails we've ridden, with the chrome and the gloss paint. I do like the looks of this. It is fun to ride though. There you go. 2018 Low Rider. I like it.
Thanks for watching this episode of Hill on Two Wheels. Please hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and come back soon. We've got a lot more motorcycle reviews coming your way, as well as all kinds of good times and motorcycle related fun. Thanks for watching. See you soon.